Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn my EFA to 4000 RPMs. I'm gonna be using the 240 grit sanding band, and I'm gonna go ahead and gently remove that top coat layer. I'm not removing the gel polish, only the gel top coat layer, if that makes sense. Once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and soak them off. Once we're done, I'm gonna grab a cotton pad, and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove any dust. Once we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of these cotton pads, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut them down into basically 4 squares or 4 triangles, and that's basically it. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and grab some foil. This foil is basically from my kitchen. I just went ahead and cut it up into little squares. I'm gonna grab some of that cotton pad, soak it into some acetone, and just basically fold it into my nail. And we're just gonna go ahead and let these soak in there for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove that foil, and I'm gonna go ahead and gently scrape off any gel polish. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that I'm gently scraping this off. It doesn't look as gentle since I did speed this video up just because I don't want the videos to be too long. And here you guys are able to see that I felt like I was struggling, so I went ahead and placed the foil back. And this is the buffer that I use to basically remove any excess. If there's something I couldn't get off, like base coat or anything like that, then that is why I use that buffer. And here you guys are able to see that I went ahead and went back, and it was way easier for me to scrape off. I polished it, added some alcohol, and we basically just cleaned the nail plate. Then I went ahead and continued doing that to the rest of my nails, and yeah. So this is how my nails look once I went ahead and finished removing all that gel polish. I went ahead and added alcohol and just wiped them away. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add cuticle oil to rehydrate my cuticles. We're going to rub that in, and this is how they look. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!